credit balance. See how it is becoming credit. See here, bank account to bank terminal account. So this is credit. So credit balance. Got it? That's what it is. So credit balance. What it says here. See, balance carry forward anything is there. See here, no, zero. It means what? First 3 days. Okay, I have taken the loan on April 4th. First 3 days interest was not there, right? That's why here interest amount is zero for first 3 days. And next, okay, next, rest of the 27 days in this month, in this period, whatever period you have done, no calculation period. So rest of the days, okay, in this period for 27 days, and 1 lakh rupees balance, okay, credit balance, okay, system has calculated 10% interest rate, 10% interest rate. So this is the interest amount, credit interest rate. So how this credit interest rate is calculated? Just take LC here. So we can see my calculator. See here 1 lakh into 10% per year. So that means how much per year? 10,000 rupees. Okay, 10,000 rupees. So that means what? So 360 per day is equal to 10,000 rupees. For 27 days, how much? So in that case, how you will calculate it? 27 days divided by 365 days into 10,000 is equal to 739.72. So round up point of view, it has come 740 rupees. Round up. So this is credit interest rate. The interest which is calculated credit balance, right? It's called credit interest rate. Got it? Like this, first you understand this, how the interest amount is calculated, for how many days, from when it is calculated. If you are clear, then only proceed further. Otherwise, try to analyze, understand how it is calculated. Okay, good. Now, if you are interested to see more detailed way, right? Here I would suggest you to select interest rate overview button and additional balance line item checkbox. All output point of more detailed way it will be displayed. See here, more detailed way. Okay, and interest rate overview means you can see here interest rate tables, whatever rates you maintain. No, let's see interest rate overview table. The table is displayed here. Okay, and next additional line item checkbox you have selected, right? See here you have selected 2 checkboxes. If you select interest rate overview checkbox, okay, here what will happen? Interest rates overview one section will be displayed, and what are the rates you specified, right? So debits to credits all will be displayed like this. Okay, in case if I don't select this interest rate overview checkbox, okay, interest rates will not be displayed, okay, in the outputs. See, there is no any interest rates section right here. And next additional line item, right? See here it looks like this. In case if I select here additional line item checkbox, no, and execute it. So then, okay, here detailed way it will be displayed it. Document data and additional one more line item will be displayed. That's it. And detailed analysis point of view, if you are interested, you can select it. Otherwise, not mandate. Okay, na? Good. So now, still interest amount was not posted to GL accounts. You have to post it. So I'll show you that how to do that. Write down step by step notes. However, it was given the notes. I wanted to maintain it in your running notes as well. So write it down. Write down. Equal to F.52. So enter chart of accounts like this, step by step down. Okay, write down. Enter your chart of accounts. Enter your chart of accounts. Next, enter GL account. Enter term on GL account. Enter term loan GL account. 100,450. Put hyphen. ICICI Bank as ICICI Bank term loan account. Next, enter your company code. If you keep it blank, right, a GL account number, then it is applicable for all the GL accounts. So that's up to you how you'd like to execute it. If you want to execute it for more than one GL account at a time, so then keep it blank. Even if you keep it blank also, it will work out. Next, company code. Next, calculation period. Okay, April 1st to April 30th. The starting of the month and ending of the month. For example, if I am going to execute for May month, so enter the starting of the May, ending of the May date. Okay, calculation period. Next, interest indicator. Enter our interest indicator. Enter our interest indicator. Okay, these two things output purpose is not mandated to select it. If you're interested to see the interest rates in the output, you can select it. Otherwise, no need to select it. And additional balance line items. Okay, additional balance line items. If you select it, no, one more output will come. Okay, that's it. But detailed way. Okay, but to process, okay, it's not required. That's up to you. If you're interested, you can select it. Otherwise, not required. So what did you write? So enter interest indicator. Execute it. Execute it. Execute it. Execute it. Execute it. Okay, note. Please analyze the interest amount calculated. Okay, how the interest amount was calculated, I want you to analyze it. Don't simply blindly go and post it. Okay, so as per your terms, interest amount was calculated or not. Okay, so like this you analyze it, and if you are okay, then only process it. Otherwise, don't process it. If the interest amount is not calculated, okay, as per our settings. Yes, now it's calculated as per my settings. 740 is correct interest amount. See, correct. Then only post it. Okay, good. Still not at posted. Just to overview how the interest amount was calculated. Okay, to post interest amount, right? Just put heading. Okay, then select back arrow. Then select back arrow. Yes, select back arrow. Now, if you want, you can put subheading. To post the interest amount to GL accounts. To post the interest amount to GL accounts. Not a posted interest amount to any GL accounts. To post interest amount to GL accounts. Okay, if you want to post the interest amount, right? Then only you have to fill this section. You have to fill this section. Posting control. Output control just for info, okay, viewpoint of it. Okay, if you want, you can select these two line items. Otherwise, it's not mandatory also. Good. So to post interest, you have to select these options, these settings. You have to fill it. Okay. So what do you do? To post interest amount to GL accounts. Select post interest settlement checkbox. Then only it will be posted. If you don't select the checkbox, it will not be interest amount will not be posted to GL accounts. Select post interest settlement checkbox. Okay. So, and second thing is, I want the system to update master record also. So what does that mean? Okay, if I go and check the terminal account here, okay, I would like to see on which date, see here. Now there is no any information now here. Understand? So I want the system to update these two fields as well. On which date, for which month, we run the interest calculation last time. If we go to this terminal account, you can see the details. But now it's not updated, right? Okay, after processing of this transaction, system will update it. Okay, that's why to update the master record, so select the checkbox. If I don't select the checkbox, right, you cannot see any attributes, any details in this fields. Like this, it will be no. Whenever I come to this GL account, I want to see for which month and which date we run the last interest calculation. So for this account, I would like to see it. Got it? So in that case, select update master record checkbox. Write down. Select update master record checkbox. Update master record checkbox. Update master record checkbox. Okay, you understand why we have selected the checkbox? Okay, first checkbox is used to post the interest amount to GL accounts. Second checkbox is used to update the interest calculation log in master records. Okay, for reference purpose. Otherwise, not required. The post arc also validating post this and not required nowadays. Okay, here you know how it is going to be posted. It is not going to be posted manually. Okay, like rent account or interest account to loan account. Okay, well, it has to be posted through batch input session. So we have to create one batch input session and process it. Then automatically the interest amount will be posted. Okay, from the point of view here, let us enter batch input session name. Write down next. Enter batch input session name. Enter batch input session name. What you want to enter here? Any key, any text field you can enter it. Okay, but reference purpose, I would like to enter here April month underscore interest rate interest like this you can specify it. So what does it mean? So for April month interest session name, any identification code, okay, you can enter it. You also write out enter session name April underscore int within bracket any text, any identification text you can enter it. Okay, in case business area concept is there, so to which business area the value should be posted, no, is enter business area. If business area concept is not there, so you can sort the, okay, no problem. And next, posting date of session. So on which date interest has to be posted? 30th of April, right? So enter. Okay, end of the month. For example, if you're going to execute it for May month, enter May 31st May. If you're going to enter, if you're going to run the interest calculation for December, so 31st December you have to enter it. Okay, good. Now in this case, I am going to run the interest calculation for April month. So here 30th April 2022, you're supposed to enter here. Okay, enter. Post date of session, document date of session, valid date of session, same dates. Enter it. On this date, interest amount will be posted. From that point of view, we are giving here imports. Okay. First you analyze it, then only post it. Don't simply post directly. After you analyze it, everything is calculated properly, then post. Posting. Okay, document posting date, document date, valid date, month and dates. Posting period, you don't need to worry. Based on the posting date you enter now, automatically it will be determined it. In case any reference number, assignment number, if you want to enter, you can enter, otherwise just leave it. Okay, and enter. Posting segment text. Interest calculation for April month. Not next option. 2022. Interest calculation for April month. 2022. Anything you can enter, any text. Just a narration of the document. Okay, na? Like this, you have to fill it and execute it. Execute. Execute it. Execute. Okay, scroll down. Page, scroll down. Okay, page, scroll down. Note. Note. You can see batch input session April underscore INT was created successfully. Okay, note. You can see status. You can see. Okay, you can see message and you can see status. Put colon batch input session April underscore INT was created. So still accounting entry not created. Okay, you have to process this batch input session. Then only it will be posted. Okay, separate line you can write down. To process batch input session. Okay, separate heading you can put. To process the batch input session. To process the batch input session. To process batch input session. From menu bar. From menu bar. From menu bar, arrow mark, system. From menu bar, arrow mark, system. Services, arrow mark like this side by side. Okay, put arrow marks and write down. System, services, batch input, sessions. Batch input, sessions. Okay, or you can directly use T code SM35 or go or go to T code SM35. Go to T code SM35. That's your choice. You can navigate like that. Otherwise, you can directly enter T code SM35. Anything you can use it. Okay. You can come like this. Otherwise, you can directly enter here SM35. Both are same. Select your session name. Select your still not yet posted. Okay, I'm going to show you how to post the accounting entry. Select the batch input session name. Select the batch input session name and whatever you have created. Select your batch input session name. Click on process button. Click on process button. Click on process button. See here there are three modes: foreground, background, display errors. Foreground means what? How the accounting entry is going to be generated, we can see in the system. Background means we cannot see, automatically be posted backend. Display errors also similar to same background, but if there are any errors, then only it will be displayed it. Otherwise, smoothly it will be posted it. Okay, so my suggestion is for you: 1 or 2 records, then select foreground. More than 1 or 2 records, where it is going to take time to process those documents, right? Better to schedule in the background mode. Okay, na? Fine. First understand here how to process it. Select process / foreground radio button. Select process / foreground radio button. Click on process button or press enter. Click on process button or press enter. Click on process button or press enter it. Press enter it. And see here. See in foreground method, I can see how the entry is getting posted. See, automatically system picked up the document date to posting date to document type to company code to currency interest account. See, The interest account I didn't enter it. So from where it is picked up, automatically. See here in the backend IMG configuration activity. Okay, here consultant has yesterday specified the GL account determination. Again, this symbol right here. See here, picked up here. See, from here it's picked up. Okay, how the posting key is picked up here? 40. Okay, you can see the specifications. Okay, specifications here. Okay, 0002. Okay, 40, 2000 interest paid. That's what I told you. Make sure this business transaction is added in your system. So for this, it is okay for this account to 40. That's why that's how system picked up here. Posting key 40 to the GL account. Okay. Now what did I write? Press enter. Keep on press enter. Keep on press enter. So if you observe this account yesterday, I have set post automatic indicator. Okay, that's why it is not accepted. Okay, you are supposed to remove this indicator. Okay, wherever you are posting the transaction manually. Okay, so don't select it. Automatically only you are supposed to select it. Now I am just seeing right here foreground. So that's why it is not accepted. Remove it. Press enter. What did you write? Keep on press enter. Now see the interest amount. And whatever narration I have entered, automatic updated. And posting key 50. How the posting key 50 is picked up here? See, in the specification here I mentioned 50 against 2000. So 2000 against it is here loan account. So this is my term loan account. ICICI Bank term loan account. What did I write? Keep on press enter. Okay, keep on press enter. Done. Done. Okay, done. So two steps here I am processing. One is generate the accounting entry. Generated. Second step, update the master record. Update the master record means what? In this term loan account, here system is going to update the log. Update the log. Now see here how it is going to update the log. Okay, it has gone to now GL master record change mode. See, this is my GL account. This is my company code. Okay, what did I write? Keep on press enter, right? See, keep on press enter. See, automatically, if you want to see the result, you can see. For which month, on which date you executed. You can just see the log here. Okay, now keep on press enter. Keep on press enter. Now what did you write? Keep on press enter until you get message. Write down. After you click on process button, keep on press enter until you get the message. Processing of batch input session completed. Processing of batch input session completed. Processing of batch input session completed. Click on exit batch input button. Click on exit batch input button. See, now successfully interest calculation was we successfully executed interest calculation. You run the interest calculation for April month. Now you have to go and check the ledger balances, right? Whether interest amount is updated or not. Okay, write down please. Next step, display GL account balance. Display GL account. No, wait. Before that, okay, if you are interested to see the accounting entry, you can just check it, right? Okay, before this, first write down accounting entry for interest calculation. Write down accounting entry. Interest account data to bank term loan account. If someone asks you, okay, what is the accounting entry for interest calculation? So interest is loss, right? So debit expenses. So debit to bank term loan account to credit. That's it. Okay, na? I done. Next, display GL account balances. Next step, display GL account balances. display GL account balances. T code FS 10. FS 10. Not which account balances. Okay, we are supposed to select execute it. So write down the comment also here. Okay, note execute this report for interest account and bank terminal account. Execute this report. Execute this report for interest account and bank term loan account. Bank term loan account. Okay, so let me execute it. Yes. See, what is my interest account first? This is my interest account. This is my company code. This is my fiscal year. Execute it. See, interest amount was posted. If you double click on it, you can select this line item and click on this next symbol. Click on this overview button. See, I can see here interest account document. See, interest account data to bank terminal account 740 day to 30th April. Okay, first period 2022 fiscal year. Document number 8. Okay, so by using this batch input session, okay, the entry was posted successfully. See, was it posted manually? No, through batch input session. Like this was posted. Got it? This is the interest amount. And next step, okay, next apart from this account, I want you to go and check, okay, term loan account also. Okay, term loan account also. Got stuck. Okay, go check term loan account also. First, if I go to 100/450 account, term loan account, executed. See here what happened. First term loan account to, okay, 1 lakh, term loan balance 1 lakh plus interest amount also is added in the same month. So 740. So if I execute it for May month, right, then what will be my base amount? You know, if I calculate interest for May month, so what would be my base amount? 1,740,000 rupees will be the base amount to calculate interest for May month. I'll show you, okay, for a couple of months how to execute it. Okay, observe it. Clear? So now you understand the ledger balances, how it was updated. Okay, apart from this is two steps you have, two activities you have processed. One is interest amount to GL account process. Second thing is it updated master record also, right? Okay, next step, write down. Display GL master record and check the interest calculation log. Display GL master record and check the interest calculation log. Display GL master record and check interest calculation log. Within bracket term loan account. Within bracket term loan account. See here, if you observe, automatically here updated. Did I update these details manually? This is my interest indicator. This is my interest calculation frequency. I enter these two details manually, but these two details, interest last for which month and which date we executed, you can see both the details automatically. How it is possible? Because of the checkbox, update master record checkbox you have selected, right? because of the checkbox it is updated. If you don't select the checkbox here, system will not update this kind of interest calculation log in the master records. Done. End-to-end interest calculation topic completed. But for perfection purpose, I wanted to execute the same steps for at least couple of periods. Okay, write down note. Okay, note. Okay, repeat the interest calculation run. What is the dates? Just for information purpose. Okay, if I come back and check the loan account, then you will understand last time, okay, on which date, for which month we have executed. Just for information, the log, a particular term loan accounts. Okay, that's it. No other use. Because we may have multiple term loan accounts, right? Okay, instead of go and check it. For example, last time which month, and which date we have executed. If you go and check the respective bank terminal accounts, you will understand. Okay, on 6th for this month we executed. That's it. Okay, good. If you don't select update master card checkbox, here you will not get any information. Write down please. Repeat the interest calculation run within bracket all the above steps, at least for 2 more months for better understanding purpose. And simply, if you execute it for 1 month and don't go to the next topic, become perfect on this topic. I want you to execute it for a couple of periods. Then you'll understand the dependencies. Okay, but you'll understand perfectly. Okay, write down. Repeat the interest calculation run means all the above steps, at least for 2 more months for better understanding purpose. Okay, na? Okay, shall I execute it for 1 more month? Good. Now assume currently we are in June month. Assume no other option. I cannot wait until June month come and back and execute this interest calculation. Assume now today currently we are in June first week. We are supposed to execute it. We are supposed to run interest calculation for May month, right? Now see here how I am going to run the interest calculation. Okay, for May month. Already executed for April month, right? So you cannot execute again. So next you have to go to May. Only one time. That's what I told you. Month-end activities. Monthly once these activities are performed. You have got 5 too. If you have doubt, no, you can just go and check it. Say example. Same period you just execute it and see whether the system will execute it or not. See, list generate no data. Why? Already executed. One time job. Okay, for the same account. If you have another account, okay, it will accept. Already calculated and posted also. So then here you are supposed to enter May month. May month. Yeah, that's what I told you. At least executed for a couple of periods for better understanding purpose. May month. Interest indicator. You no need to specify. See, key date of last run, right? Because on this date only it's updated. This is the information is updated in the master card. Okay, you no need to select the checkboxes now. First to understand, analyze it, execute it blindly. See here calculated. See how it's calculated. 1,07,40 is the credit balance on that 31 rupees, 31 days key. It was calculated. So from when it is calculated, same 31st to this date only. If you want to see more additional details, right? In case if you want, then you can select this. Otherwise, not required. So then here a breakup will come detailed way. That's it. Okay, good. One additional line item will be involved. Okay, included here. Okay, like this you analyze it. Okay, done. After you analyze it, to post interest, select the checkbox. And if you want to update MasterCard, select it. Otherwise, just leave it. No problem. Okay, and share session name. You can enter anything. Just text fill. For May month, I'm executing, right? So here, that's why I'm entering here. May month, session name, anything like this. And business area, enter it. Otherwise, just leave it. Posting date to 31st May 2022. 31st May 2022. and validate also same 31st May 2022. Just 2-3 minutes, please wait. Okay, don't worry about the posting period, and description here is just identification key. That's it. Simply execute it. Okay, after executed, scroll down. You can see here session name. Make sure session was created successfully. Yes, it was created. To process the session, you can go like this: services, batch input, sessions. Otherwise, directly can go to SM35. T code shortcut way. Select your session name. Select process foreground button. Process button. Now I have executed foreground, right? Why you want to execute again in foreground? Understand background. See background and press enter it. See, you will not see how it's getting posted. Backend it will post. After a couple of seconds, just refresh your screen whether it was posted successfully or not. See, it's being processed. Okay, it's being processed. So there are two transactions. One is accounting entry, another one is master card updation. So nothing went into errors. Nothing was processed also so far successfully. So refresh your screen. If there are any errors, it will be stuck. Now see, it got stuck. I don't know what is the error. See, I tried to process two transactions. One was one into errors. One was posted successfully. Let us see what was the error. Double click on it. Log created. See, post image is not open. Okay. Posting video open May month. Okay, that's why it is giving error message. Okay, just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Up to 01. See, second period is not open, right? So open second period and save it. Save it. Done. Now it will not be posted automatically. Again, you have to process it. Then select your session name, process button. Again, background mode, process button. Just enter it. After a couple of seconds, okay, go and refresh your screen. Then it will be completed. See, it's gone. That means what? It was posted. How do you know whether it was posted or not? Go and check your ledger balance. FS7. Then you can see here, interest amount was posted here, 856. If I double click on it, here you can see the accounting entry. What is the accounting entry? Interest account are and terminal account. So May month. See, automatic is posted. I didn't post manually. And just go and check your master record also. Then here I can see. See, I can see here dates and which day, which month we have executed. May month. Just for information purpose. Got it? Like this, you execute it. Okay, na? Good. Okay, now you understood, right? Execute it for here couple of periods. And in case if I make the payment, part payment, for example, out of 1 lakh rupees. Okay, for example, April month to May month completed, current payment June month. June 10th, if I pay 60,000 rupees amount, how it will calculate and what is the accounting entry? So tomorrow, just for a few minutes, I'll finish this. Then we'll go. If there are any doubts, if there are any issues, we'll address, and then we'll start next topic. Okay, na? Thank you guys. Okay, don't miss the classes. Do practice, and I have requested everyone to clear the dues. Okay, so by afternoon, if not received, then okay, I'll talk to you. If you are removing the group, then we'll talk to you.